The schools are reopening, and there is a lot of excitement among teachers and students after long isolation. Though things are getting normal, still parents and students are worried. So I cannot expect 100% attendance on the very first day. There is a big task on us, that is teacher and librarian, to ensure the feeling of safety goes back with the students on the very first day. So I cannot think of anybody else other than Miss Matley, who recently won the Best Teacher Librarian Award, to share her thoughts on today's topic. Welcome, Miss Matley.
Hi, Miss Jyoti. Thank you so much for the wonderful introduction and an opportunity to connect with you. I'm really feeling great to connect with you. Thank you.
Corona has led the school to run virtual classes. Library was not untouched. How was your experience during lockdown?
Okay, so lockdown experience was really, interesting, and also the experience was learning for all of us. So as we know that as a librarian, our job is always to bring up with new ideas, to connect with students, and to connect, develop a love for reading. So though it was a very challenging for each and every teacher to adapt the new normal, which I feel was to take the online classes, but as I feel that as a school and as an individual and as a librarian, we tried our best to keep the magic of library and reading going on. So yes, to answer your question, during virtual classes, we did a lot of things. We did a lot of read alouds. We played online quizzes. We organized debates. We even learned how to write storybook and even publish it using Storyweaver. We also did sessions like grandparent storytelling. We did mystery storytellers, where not even the students but even the parents community got involved. We also had explored a lot of ebooks and even managed to maintain reading logs from students. So a lot of skill building about research also happened during these classes. So I can say here that schools, teachers, and librarians, they all did their best during virtual classes. So, and the best part is we could not have done this if the parent support is not there. So yes, the parents have really, supported a lot to all the teachers, schools, and librarians to make this wonder happen.
True, very true. I felt that Corona has led us teachers to be on the toes and accept the new normal. As I was discussing earlier, that it is a
Yes,
huge
indeed. Accept the new normal.
yes. As I was discussing earlier, that it is a huge responsibility on us to make students comfortable. So, how can other librarians plan their welcome activities in your opinion?
Okay, so this is something, I guess we all are waiting. We all are waiting that when the students are coming back, and it would be great to hear some noises, talking, shouting, dancing, all these things. We all are waiting, and I believe that all the librarians out there would be scratching their head or coming up with the ideas that what to do with making their students feel special. So I feel it differs from librarian to librarian what they would want to do. But yes, there are few things which as a librarian we can do as per my opinion. That is the first thing I feel, that is we can work on displays. So this is the best display what I came through, come through from one of the website, and I've sourced that website over here. Welcome back, the book missed you. Okay, so this is something which when the students see, they feel so much connected towards the books again. So from the ebooks back to physical books. Then we can also do one more thing, like there are so many corners. I've observed that in libraries students prefer to sit in the corners. So what we can do is we can decorate and we can convert all the corners into a different themes. Like one corner can go as a get cozy with a book. The beautiful themes can be connected, which is there, which is presented over here. One corner can be a blind date where the books are being wrapped and kept it aside, and when the students come they have to pick up the book without seeing the cover page. That can also be done. And then one theme can be Harry Potter theme, where the all the Harry Potter books can be kept, and the theme, and it can look like this. So where everybody loves Harry Potter, so the students can come, can sit there, they can feel like home. So these things we can do, and in fact, we can also do, keep the board games launch, or a board games, corner, where the students can sit and play board games. Of course, keeping all the social distancing norms, taking care. But these all things can be done, so the students are really happy. And I also feel that librarians can, make a small handmade cards for each and every student for welcoming them, putting some good adjective about them. That's something very, I feel, customized, that can be done. And even the librarians can arrange musical book theme for students, or debates, so that the students can now use the library for talking and exploring, and also giving their perspectives. So I guess there are so many things to do, but these are just a few examples from my side.
Wow, that are amazing ideas. Just to add on, I feel that one can also keep one news corner in the library where we can share the positive news about corona, like how vaccines are rolling out, what are the experiences in different schools and different by different teachers and parents and students as well. So there goes a positive vibes among the children.
Yes, yes, indeed, we can do that. Till now we all are, seeing the newses on mobile, but now they can, if the corner is there, wonderful. So we can create one news corner. That's amazing.
Yeah, but why I was just thinking that when the schools will start, how we are going to sanitize books? Will we will be quarantining it, put the plastic jacket, or will just stop the circulation? How we are going to plan that?
See, sanitizing books is again a, very big challenge, and also we feel that we can do that. Okay, but this can be done, in few ways. But every librarian, prefers separately. Every school prefers separately. So there is no fixed way to do, things like that. But yes, for example, one way can be, we can do is, if you are planning to collect books and students are returning, so then we can just big box at designated a book return area, where the labels can be done that it is for the returning books. Students can keep all the books over there. And the best thing what we all as a team can do is, we have to explain the procedure to students clearly and repeatedly, with the direction, right? So they don't have to, take the books from there again. And then again, providing hand sanitizer is very important at all the designated area, which I guess that all the schools are doing it and maintaining it, so we don't have to worry about it. And then the staff can, quarantine books for some time, and then it can go back for shelving. So this is the one way of doing it. But then, of course, every other school, every other librarian prefers it differently.
Correct, very true. So, Matli, I can also think you can show how teachers and librarians can take their lessons through storytelling to make the first day enjoyable.
Yes, yes. The first day is very important. So yes, every librarians can do it in different way, by their storytelling, or games. Anything can be done. So here, what I'll do is, I'll take my favorite story, which is which I feel very connected to me. So I'll do that a small story read aloud. Maybe that will be helpful. So yes, just give me 1 minute. Yeah, so I'm going to read a story from Story Weaver, which I mentioned. So, Story Weaver is a website where we can get all the books, ebooks free of cost. We can read, students can read, and also we can create books and publish it. Okay, so you must visit these books and the website. So today's book is the book for Puchku, a book for Puchku, and author is Dipanjana Pal. Let's start the story. Puchku, have a bath. Puchku, eat your food. Puchku, go to class. Puchku, get on the bus. Puchku, do your homework. Wow, there are so many instructions for Puchku, but I am not able to see Puchku because she is hiding. Yes. Where is Puchku? I have the same question. Wow, she's here. See, she's having a book, and she's right behind that. Wow, she looks beautiful. Puchku is busy. She has a book to read. Puchku reads all the time, at home, in school, in the park, in bed. Page after page, book after book, one by one. She has read them all. Wow, that's amazing. She has read all the books, whatever she's having. Why are you always reading, Puchku? Asked Botlu. Come, watch a cartoon instead, says Dodla. Now these two friends are tempting Puchku, to watch cartoon. Wow, this is amazing. Books are so much more fun, says Puchku. Look, you see a circle and the straight line. Push in it, pull that out, and it becomes a letter. Line up the letters, and you have a word. Words can be wise, words can be funny, words can be sad, and words can be sunny. When you put words together, they make sentences, and sentences become stories. Read it. Whoosh! You are in another world. This little girl is really, told an important and amazing message through this. Yeah. So she's telling us that, when we see the circle and straight line, that makes us letters. And when the letters are coming together, that makes a word. And we have some very important and amazing words like sorry, thank you matter. These words are amazing words. And when you put all the words together, so many words together, they make sentences. Wow. And those sentences become stories. Yes. And when we read it, like we are reading this story, we are in amazing different world. Wow. That's amazing. But today, Puchko is in a fix. She has run out of the books to read. All the books that she could reach in the library, she had read from chapter 1 to end. Oh, she's so sad. What will happen? What will I do? No more books to read. Wails Puchku. She doesn't have any book to read now. What she is going to do? Wait, what's over there? Puchku looks up and sees not one, two, three, but three shelves are there full of books. More books, Puchku whispers in delight. There is still one problem. She's too short and the bookshelf is too tall. How can Puchku get up there? Think about it. Maybe she can use washing line or Ma's sari to climb. How about the chairs and tables in the room? That looks very bad idea. What about you, Jyoti ma'am? Do you think any idea will suit?
No, not at all.
Yes, exactly. So let's see what she comes up. It would be really helpful, thinks Puchku, to have a giraffe at hand, even a monkey or both. So she wants her book characters to be out of it so that she can take their help. Wow, that's amazing. Now Puchku has a plan. She calls Botlu and Dodla for help. As quick as they can, they climb on top of each other. Botlu, you are very heavy. Dodla complains. Told you not to have that rasgulla. It's not me. Botlu hisses. It's Puchku. She is very heavy. Shh. Almost there, says Puchku. Almost there. And just then, it all goes wrong. You all can see here in the picture what happened. What is happening here? It's a very tall librarian. She puts Puchku down. Botlu and Dodla run away. Puchku looks up sadly at the books she almost had in her hand. Can I help? Asked the very tall librarian. I was trying to climb the bookshelf. I have run out of books to read, says Puchku sadly. Why didn't you say so? Says the very tall librarian. As long as I'm around, you don't have to climb a bookshelf. May I pick you up? Wow. So now Puchku is having so many bugs because tall librarian helped her. Oh, you were small too? Puchku is asking. Yes, of course I was small like you. But then you will grow up like the way I grew up. Until then, all you need to do is ask for a book and I'll be here to give it to you. But is Puchku listening? No, she is not. She is inside her book through a circle and a line and a letter and another, then a word and another, a sentence and another, and now a story because Puchku has a new book. Wow. This is something, I love this book because this shows the importance of librarians. And this is the way to convey to my kids, to all my, students, that I am here for you in the library. Please come and just approach me for anything you want. The words, the reading magic is amazing. The reading, world is amazing. Just come and approach to the librarian, and you will, enter in that reading world. So this is for all the librarians and the students. Thank you.
Wow, it was amazing. It has involved me from within. Trust me. And viewers, please do visit the library. This is the best place that I have ever got. Thank you so much, Miss Mathli.
Yes, that's really, you have told the perfect.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Miss Jyoti. It was a pleasure to interact with